Automatic.
Okay.
Now, well, don't scratch it yet. I ain't seen you do nothing.
Okay.
So yawn is, you know what it feels like to yawn. Did you start yawning?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so it makes you give lots of space inside the mouth. So now think about that in one of your airs. Which one you want to do? Surprise, smell the rose, or gulp?
Surprise.
Surprise. Okay, so please place your hand right above your belly button so I can see if I see the surprise. So, oh yeah, that was good. Okay, yeah, you got that one. Okay, so now you're gonna be yawning. And I'm sorry if my piano does not sound clear. I ain't figured out how to make it clear yet. But we're gonna try our best, okay?
All right.
So that's why I normally sing it so you can hear. Yawn. That's what happened to me last time. Remember, I was like, oh. Your signal's good, okay? Yawn. Good. And you didn't even start yawning. Oh. But let me give you the first pitch. Oh.
Okay.
Yawn. Oh. Good. Oh. Okay, we should have maybe 2 more. And this, I'm checking the range at the same time.
Okay.
You're super clear. I think you got one more this time. That was your lowest note last week. I don't know. I think you got one more.